Namaste, I am Dhanashri and welcome to video tutorial on Google Spreadsheet. In this video, we will learn mostly used basic functions in spreadsheet. For implementation of those basic functions, I am going to use this worksheet in which students' marks for two tests are entered. So let's start. I am selecting any two cells with the help of control and mouse and then going to explore. If you go to explore, you can see some analysis about these two cells value. For example, sum of these two values 16 plus 10 is 26, average is 13, minimum value out of these two is 10, maximum value out of these two is 16 and count is 2. Count gives you total how many values are there. This is also giving you many more analysis regarding these two cells. But if you want to incorporate those functions within a cell, then you have to make use of formulas. So let's understand how you can implement the formula. Assume you want a sum of these two values in the third column. Then one method is select these two cells and then go to function option and then say sum and say enter. So you can see this is a formula applied and this is a value. Now you want to apply this formula all over the mark sheet. So you are not going to repeat this process again and again. Simply click and double click on this dark square. And you can see that formula is applied all over mark sheet. The another way you can do it is just say equal to, and as soon as you say equal to, it means you are giving some formula. Sum, when you are writing sum, these are the different ways. I am talking about very basic functions, so we will consider very first sum and in the parentheses pass the parameters. Like select the range, you can see B5 to C5, B5 to C5, close the bracket and say enter. And if you select and drag, you will get addition of these two cells. Here you can see the formula B6, C6. If you want to add some constant value to it, so you can say sum into bracket this comma 1. So constant value, here we are saying 1. So constant value is added into this value. We have done column wise addition, that is 13 plus 10. If you want to go for row wise addition, means for example this is a data, if you want to add all these values, it is also possible. Select the range and say sum, enter. So you will get sum of all these values. Next function is average function. If you want to find average of any numbers, it can be two numbers or more than two numbers, you have to select the range and click on average function. So for example, I want to find the average of these two. So two options, either you can say average from here or you can say average from here. Similarly, if you want to apply this formula throughout worksheet, just double click and you will get average value for rest of worksheet. Next function is count. In count, it returns how many integer values are there or how many entries are there. So for example, if you want to know exactly how many entries are there, if you count it manually, it may take long time. So you just have to select the range and say count. So you will get how many values are there in this particular column. If you don't want exactly at the adjacent cell and if you want somewhere else, then you have to apply that formula in that particular cell. For example, I want to count how many values are there. I don't want it here, I want it here. So here I will say equal to, either I can say count and select the range. So there are 15 values, or I can select count from here. Next function is to get the maximum value within a range. So function is max. So for example, I want to know maximum value between first two columns. I will say equal to, then select the function and select the range. So 13 is maximum value between 13 and 10. And let's say here 9 and 12, 12 is a maximum value, 20, 20, 20 is a maximum value. So it's working finely. Similarly, you can get the minimum value. To get the minimum value, function is minimum. Either you can write minimum, or from here you can select the function minimum and select the range. Double click. Formula will be applied to complete column. So these are some basic functions, and there are three ways to apply it. Either you can say equal to that particular function name. If you remember the function syntax, for example, I want to find minimum out of this range. This is one way, or from here you can directly use the function, or from insert function you can select the function. So there are three ways. Let's try to find out the maximum function. So let's say I am applying for this range. Range is B5 to C5, and the function which I want to apply is maximum. So I'm going to get maximum from this range H5 to J21, and when I say equal to, this is the answer 470. But always keep a habit of writing formulas, because it gives you flexibility. You can write that formula in any cell for any range. I hope you have understood basic functions and how to use it. Thanks for watching.